Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. If you're new and just passing by for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please click that subscribe button down below and do click on the notification bell because it will notify you of any time I upload a new video. So guys, today's video is like a challenge, a collaboration, and a lesson. Yes guys, so I and my beautiful friend turned sister Tessy the Aquino came together to make this challenge for you guys. So this challenge is about we teaching you or trying to say some few words in the language of the country we live in. For instance, I live in Greece, Tessy lives in Italy, so we'll be trying to teach you guys the basics, the everyday day-to-day words you need to know to survive in this country. As many people know, Greek is very difficult, so I am not perfect in Greek yet. I am still learning, but I'm going to share with you the few ones I have learned. Also, Tessy will be doing same on her own channel, but in that case, she'll be teaching you Italian. You see, we're going to teach you guys Greek and Italian. What a good day! It's not easy. You guys have to pay us for these lessons. So it's a collaboration between both of us. We'll be teaching you or sharing with you the few words we've learned during our stay here in Europe, Greece and Italy to be precise. In case you hear any blunder, please don't blame me too much. Like I told you guys, I am still learning. Greek is very difficult. Over the Greeks can attest that Greek is not an easy language to learn, but I am trying. If this challenge is to be scored, oh trust me, Tessy will be the winner of this challenge. So guys, now that I've started in English, so I will introduce myself properly in Greek, and I'll be leaving the translations on the screen for you guys to see. Also, I'll be leaving Tessy's link in the description box below. Please go check her out. You will definitely enjoy her own challenge. So guys, without making much of a mistake, I'll be trying to check my paper or my phone of where I wrote the things I'll be saying to you guys. So now guys, I'm going to introduce myself properly in Greek. Yes, so let's get started. Yasas filimu tikanete kalositate sto kanalimu melene anabe ime apoti Nigeria o adrasmu ine elinas echo theopedia agoria echo pede at the first ke at the fifth so Nigeria. Now that we've done with the greeting, so I'll go into telling you guys some basic words, everyday today words you need to know. Tikanis Isekala Posolene Melene Annabelle Apopuise. Where are you from? Puine Imamasu ke Babasu Pame Sagapo Pameya Sonia Tikanis Koritimu Tikanis Adrakimu. Then now I'm going to go into one individual words. Those were just like sentences, few sentences you need to know about to go about your day-to-day activities. So now I'm going to go into one words. Kalimera, Kalispera, Kalinita, Ashtokinito, Agori, Koriti, Oadras, Iyineka, Mama, Baba, Papu, Yaya, Petera, Peteros, Sizigos, Yineka, Fili, Fili. For cousins, Sadefos if it's a boy, Sadefi if it's a girl, Hog, Agayazo, Agayazo, Adefos, Adefes, Ikoyeniam, Ikoyenia, Lefta, Chada, Karekla, Trapezi, Potiri, Ne, Ohi, Nero, Krasi, Bira, Tiri, Gala, Cafe, Kotobulu, Sari, Salata, Somi, Patates, Oria, Polio, Kala, Megalo, Micro, Filakia, Capello, Maya, Stoma, Miti, Afti, Atia, Saloni, Hypnodomathio, Nosocomio, Scolio, Spiti, Crevati, Anicto, Cliso, Quine, Omofe, Kukla, Kuklos, Signomi, Evcharisto, Sesagaposolus. Okay, for some fruits, banana is bananas, apple is Milo, pear is Akladi. My boy is making noise. Pear is Akladi, apple is Milo, banana is bananas, orange is Protocolada. So now let's go to days of the week. Deftera, Treaty, Detati, Penti, Paraskevi, Sabato, Kiriaki. So let me repeat it. Deftera, Treaty, Tetati, Pempti, Paraskevi, Sabato, and Kiriaki. Yes, that's days of the week, Monday to Sunday. Guys, let me try months of the year. This one is not so easy for me, but I will try. Januario, Februario, Matthew, Aprilio, Junio, Julius. My July, I don't know if it's correct. Augusto. Then February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Centavios, Octovios, November, December. So guys, just manage it, but I think I'm on the right track. That is months of the year. Guys, let me try to count from 1 to 10 in Greek. Ena, Dio, Tria, Tessera, Pede, Exi, Efta, Octo, Enya, Deca. I can actually count maybe to 20. Oh, my son is disturbing so much. You can hear his voice. So I'm in Deca, Edeka, Jodeca, Decatria, Decatessera, Decapede, Deca Exi, Deca Efta, Deca Octo, Deca Enya, Ikosi. That's 20. So for greeting, if you are talking to maybe an elderly person, someone you're not too familiar with, or a group of people, we usually use the word yasas, like for a lot of people, or someone like a stranger to you you're not too familiar with. But someone you're familiar with, or a singular person, or just normal everyday greeting, you say yasu, yasu. I don't know if you understand the difference, guys. For a much older person or a stranger, or maybe a group of people, you went somewhere, you saw a group of people, you say yasas. But for one person or a close person, someone you're familiar with and all that, you could just say yasu. But here in most cases they use both sometimes, especially if they know, okay, you're a foreigner, you don't really know the difference, so they understand even when you say yasu or yasas. But that is the normal way to say it for many people. Stranger, yasas. One person, yasu. Guys, Greek is actually interesting. When my mom came, she actually learned few words before she left. So guys, I think I'll be ending my video here. There are lots and lots more to say, but because of time I couldn't say much. Maybe there will be another series of teaching you guys more Greek. If I saw all those yeti parakalutusis, that means thank you all for watching. I'm still learning. Do not laugh at me, guys. Say sagaposo oh, say sagaposo oh, luz. Ilakia. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed watching. Please, if you do not forget to like, share this video. Someone might find it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. And please do not forget to visit my friend to go and learn Italian. I can't wait to watch her to learn Italian too. You know, it's good to learn different kind of languages. You don't know where you'll find yourself tomorrow. So guys, thank you. Bye.